Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you one of our customers' radio. It's very rare model. It's from Renault Alpine GTA from late 80s and early 90s, and we did manage to bring this radio back to life again. We fixed the cassette deck, we changed all the lighting bulbs, we did change the display, and also we installed the Bluetooth. Okay, since there is no new parts available for this radio, the cassette deck will not perform as new, but hey, it's 30 plus years old radio, so don't expect to be as new. Okay, so at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette deck, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay. Okay, let's try forward. This radio is pretty slow, so be patient. Now backwards. Okay, works fine. Now reverse mode. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. Camera don't focus very well green color, but all lights are changed and looks good. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch from FM mode to middle waves or long waves mode. Okay, so this button, simply press it once, twice, and here we go. Now we are on long waves, which means the Bluetooth is activated now. Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a couple of seconds, and here it is. Now the Bluetooth is connected. You can go to YouTube or wherever and play any song you want. Cool, right? It's very simple to use. When you want to back to your FM mode or cassette player, simply press this button again, a couple times. And now we're back to your normal radio. Okay guys, thumbs up. Another happy customer.